Now let's start with editing files from the command line. Now we have many tools actually. We have Vim or Vi. We have Nano. Now let's start with Nano. So Nano test.txt, the one we have created. And here you can see that we can start creating or putting whatever we want. So hello or hi there. Okay. Now press Ctrl X or Ctrl O, as you can see from here. Ctrl O to write out. So to save, Ctrl O, the name of the file we can change it or keep it as is. As you can see, wrote 12 nines. Ctrl X, so to exit. Okay. Now let's talk another utility, which is the Vim or Vi, which is very popular. So test.txt, but it has a different settings like the Nano. So here, to edit the file, you need to put the I. So press the I button. So you can see now we are inside the insert mode. So here we can put hi again or hi again here. Okay. And press the escape button to go away from the insert mode or editing mode. Now then shift semicolon or colon, as you can see, W for write, Q for quit, WQ for write, which means save, I mean, and quit. So open it again. You can see hi again, it is here. All right, cool. Also, we can use the O button, so to insert with a new line like this. By the way, Vim has a lot of powerful features and settings, so I don't want to talk about every feature here. Okay, so for now we just learned the important thing. By the way, sometimes when I quit from here, you can see that I can't quit because I need to change or save the changes. So how to quit without changing anything or saving anything? Quit with Shift 1 or the exclamation mark. Press exit. So here it will work. So you can see that, yeah, it hasn't been saved. All right, cool.